No, you know PM, I'm hitting up they DM just so I can get inside her box without a DM. You get it, niggas? Fuck your feelings, shooting at your chest, nigga, like I'm Darren Williams. And in this rap race, oh yeah, I crept up. I'm moving CDs, so Chase, they need to catch up. Word around town, my nigga, is that he's up.
Check my Instagram right now, baby.
Chest without a V-neck, try to stop my run.
At me right now, DJ Shot Black, TriplevibesRadio.
Your head just like Krillin, nigga, talking about swim. Okay, now you're going too far.
Shout out to all Swim Entertainment, like business in the building.
I wish you had my bitch like Aladdin in your fire. If I feel you're coming.
Max, what up, bro? That's how you in that check-in.
And let's rendezvous. And let's rendezvous. And let's rendezvous. All that tough talking, nigga, what you finna do? Excuse me. Who you talking to? Have you covered in blood like a dime move? Have you wrapped in plastic like a Charleston chew? So keep your words nice and short like a haiku. I swear you rappers is pitiful. Fuck what the doctor say, I can still get rid of you. Yeah, you can still be aborted when you hit with a rocket to take your ass out of orbit. The cost to be the boss? Oh yes, I can afford it. I'm feeling like Greece cause you can't invade the fortress. But if you try to, you'll be full of rigor mortis when I leave a shell on your back, nigga, like a tortoise. See, I just know. You see, I'm not just recording, been in call before the fame, my nigga, without spalding. That's the truth. We'll catch you while your ass performing. Just go at the fucking stage so we can help you with the show, bro. Talking about swim, okay, now you're going too far. Push the wrong button, I'ma start like a former.
Just playing a couple of tracks off that album. Shout out to Coney Island on this one, baby, let's go.
Who's working? Like your ass gang banging. Time to pounce on that ass like you.
Business in the building, TriplevibesRadio.
She got twists like I.
Shot Black, D-Nice, we here.
I should make a code out of her. See my team, we ballin' hard. You and your girl, I could be the little cheering squad. Cause you see you with the mini skirt sound.
Shout out to the boy Freedom Crying the checking, baby.
So, baby girl, here's some hope. If you ride the bench, I will make you the head coach. Got a pocket full of elastic, so let's work this shit out, girl, like gymnastics. She called me baby, like me she conceived. So open up your shirt, cause it's time to breastfeed. Ready? Now baby girl, I can't lie. You play with the joystick, you might get a cash prize. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. Guaranteed that tonight you'll be famous. Have no shame in your game, cause I guarantee your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something.
Shout out to my ladies on the check-in, baby.
Do something strange.
I'm discriminate.
So, do something strange for a piece of change. You think she killing it now? My nigga, that's nothing. Watch a slow wine like you hit the step button. She killing me, dog. I need CPR. Matter of fact, record a show like a DVR. Cause, man, I love the way she whine. Gotta hit it from behind and straight bust her like a 9. Then we sip some wine, cover her and Duncan Hines. Like Uncle Elroy, baby girl, it's Mr. Nasty Time. And when it comes to the okey pokey, you should know this, ma'am. No smoky. As for your man, he can win hopefully. But once I stroke your funny bone, it's no jokey. See, I'm a pimp. You don't see the trophies? I can score you young niggas, no shame most. Ready? That's for ballin'. You won't come close to that. So, I might as well let your girl hold me. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. Guaranteed that tonight you'll be famous. Have no shame in your game, cause I guarantee your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. Where my dear die? Yeah. Girl, Coney Island, what's up? Yeah. Ready, nigga? Yeah. Who's working? Like your ass gang banging. Time to pounce on that ass like you false claiming. She got twists like Oliver. And she some skin, I should make a coat out of her. See my team, we ballin' hard. You and your girls, y'all could be the little cheering squad. Cause we see you with the mini skirts on. And indeed, we in love with them pom-poms. So, baby girl, here's some hope. If you ride the bench, I will make you the head coach. Got a pocket full of elastic, so let's work this shit out, girl, like gymnastics. She called me baby, like me she conceived. So open up your shirt, cause it's time to breastfeed. Ready? Now baby girl, I can't lie. You play with the joystick, you might get a cash prize. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. Guaranteed that tonight you'll be famous. Have no shame in your game, cause I guarantee your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. You think she killing it now? My nigga, that's nothing. Watch her slow wine like you hit the step button. She killing me, dog. I need CPR. Matter of fact, record a show like a DVR. Cause, man, I love the way she whine. Gotta hit it from behind and straight bust her like a 9. Then we sip some wine, cover her and Duncan Hines. Like Uncle Elroy, baby girl, it's Mr. Nasty Time. And when it comes to the hokey pokey, you should know this, ma'am. No smoky. As for your man, he can win hopefully. But once I stroke your funny bone, it's no jokey. See, I'm a pimp. You don't see the trophies? I can score you young niggas, no shame, most ready. As for ballin', you won't come close to that. So, I might as well let your girl hold me. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. I guarantee that tonight you'll be famous. No
just rocking up right now the Triplevibes Radio, baby.
Your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of
shout out to all my ladies rocking out right now. I said I don't discriminate, baby. Streaming live right now on YouTube, man. Shout out to the boy Business in the building. We're gonna talk to him in a little bit, man. Just running through a little tracks off that upcoming, actually off that album right now. You know what I mean? It's definitely gonna be in stores pretty soon. Is it in stores already?
No, not yet.
What's the date? Give me a date.
It's dropping next week Friday.
Next week Friday. What's the date? That's the 30th, right? Ooh, that's the day we in Ooh La La, man. Bar 391 Howard Avenue, man. Come out, support, you know what I mean? Watch that boy Business perform. We definitely got a couple of acts, you know what I mean? Shout out to the boy Money Molly, you know what I mean? Shout out to the boy Duce, the whole Swim Entertainment, you know what I mean? The whole Triplevibes Radio, man. We just cruising. Shout out to the boy D Nice Smacks. I see you on the check-in. You already know what it is. Freedom Cry. All the unsigned artists each and every Thursday, man. Submit your music. sound.remedy@yahoo.com or triple.vibes.com@gmail.com. All right?
When your family and friends abandon you, it seems like the whole world's against you. A better life for the streets you gotta choose, so you end up.
Business in the building, baby. Let's go.
You haven't smiled in a minute, God, now it feels like the room's spinning, yeah. Sweet as blunt got me thinking, yeah. Is it the team at me? You know that's what you get. Wow, who would've thought being blood would cause all of this? Even my mom told me to blow the grip. Wow, hold on, wait a minute, ma, why you attacking me? I did everything in my life you ever asked of me. I got good grades, and I kept a job. Never got a felony, nor kids with a bunch of bras, but ain't that dog? That's why I was hella shocked when she said she would bury me inside a wooden box. It hurt my heart. What happened to my man in the street? Me like a nigga in the street over a bandana. I ain't mean to hurt your feelings, and that's where the nana. Disrespect, get disrespect. Pardon my country grammar. Put me in this world so you can take me out. Honestly, ma, watch your mouth. I'm a grown man now, so we can talk it out. The last thing you won't wanna do, ma, is shoot it out. Were you intoxicated? You need to take pride in this gangster you created. Look, ma. All I'm saying, gang bang through K through 12 and I still made it. You never got a call about me being left back. You never got a call about your crib being a trap. You never got a call about me on a nice pack. You never got a call about me being caught with the strap. So what that means, you ain't get birth to a dumb nigga. Even though I know you was mad, I ran with dumb niggas. So look, man, that's the end of the discussion, cause I even got respect from the niggas you was fucking. So how dare you get on the radio, say I was bluffing, when even yourself seen I was gun tucking. I know my attitude disgusting, but a mirror of yourself will make you sick to your stomach. When your family and friends abandon you, it seems like the whole world's against you. A better life for the streets you gotta choose, so you end up with a newspaper breaking news. You haven't smiled in a minute. Hold on, it feels like the room's spinning. Let's stop, man. Sweet as blunt got me thinking, duh. Is it the team of me? You know that's what Jenkins. There was a time you could turn blood off my name. There was a time you could survive off my name. But now that shit's changed ever since I left the game. And I still feel the pain, gave names to niggas in the grave. And niggas who's alive too. I took an oath, my drops is the spare, the honest truth. I never forget where I come from, homie. 11 alive, motherfucker, yeah, it's tattered on me. Sue up to my 31s, that be in the 30 block. See it in the bay ass nigga, we letting 30 rock. I fell in love with gangbanging, no because of my pop. See, he a folk and I'm a blood, whether he like it or not. You hear me, nigga? No disrespect to you, nigga. Locked up my whole life so you couldn't see. I turned blood and became all that I can be. No love lost. I just pray you didn't get your saboteurs. It is what it is. When you get out, take care of your other 2 kids in the. Yeah. Warning. Each and every last one of y'all. A bucket, you out of sight. That's Ray Charles. I'm strapped up, I'm bringing fashion back with overalls. You think I'm pussy, but not at all. I'm overheated, your menopause, and yeah, I lay the law like a legislator. I'm so fly, man, I should have been an aviator. Matter of fact, I look like rap, I'ma be much greater. December 25th, every time I rap, I get a bunch of paper. Yeah, I'm fly like a baby out this bitch. I stay in Gucci, nigga, like a nacho chip. Think FDR being wheelchair bound. The way your boy stays so polo down, See, that's why your bitch is taken. You get mad, you on the shirt. Now your ass a fashion statement. If you're waiting for me to die, we'll keep on waiting. I'm already fresh to death, nigga. The casket's taken. I know I'm fly, but chill with the pigs, please. I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet, which would explain why your girl down on her knees. Look inside, I got a pocket full of G's. Warning, that might make it go. Warning, line that might make it go. See, warning, rising from the head to the feet. Warning, blind that might make it go. Warning, each and every last one of y'all. A bucket, you out of sight. That's Ray Charles. I'm strapped up, I'm bringing fashion back with overalls. You think I'm pussy, but not at all. I'm overheated, your menopause, and yeah, I lay the law like a legislator. I'm so fly, man, I should have been an aviator. Matter of fact, I look like rap, I'ma be much greater. December 25th, every time I rap, I get a bunch of paper.
It's what we do, baby, each and every Thursday, 8 o'clock. As you can see, we got the boy Business in the building, man. Biz, how you feeling, man? Talk to the people, man. Let me hear something.
The way your boy stays man. We feeling gnarly in this bitch. Show them fins up, man. If y'all fucking with what y'all hearing, call in. Talk to your boy, let me know what you think. Where My Deal at Volume 2 dropping next week, March 30th at midnight. So technically it's gonna be March 31st, but y'all already know we running a promo. Right along with that, album release party at Ooh La La. So I need y'all to pull up, check your boy out, you know what I'm saying? Throw them fins up and shit, my nigga, we out here. It's your boy Sness, man.
Swag is blind, that might make it go. See, I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet. Swag is blind, that might make it go.
Yeah, you heard that, man. We popping bottles and all that. Next week, Friday, going down, bar 391.
Not to mention, got more.
Shout out to everybody rocking up
got your chicks
right now on the YouTube live.
An entree, yeah.
Right on the top of that TriplevibesRadio, you see that big old green button.
It's in the penal system.
Just click that. You're gonna be locked in directly. You know what I'm talking about?
And like she's passive aggressive. Now getting money, oh, don't get me started. More blue bills than a Tookie parted. They brought New York back. Oh, you damn retarded. Man, they all gas. Excuse me, like I just farted. Cause after me, what could be after? I'm the nigga you're looking for, minus the slave master. Now you see, I'm bringing natural disasters with the shit. I've been cooking in the pot like a spellcaster. I know I'm fly, but chill with the pigs, please. I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet, which would explain why your girl down on her knees. Look inside, I got a pocket full of G's. Swag is blind, that might make it go. Swag is blind, that might make it go. See, I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet. Swag is blind, that might make it go. Yeah, I know I'm fly, but chill with the pigs, please. I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet, which would explain why your girl down on her knees. Look inside, I got a pocket full of G's. Swag is blind, that might make it go. Swag is blind, that might make it go. See, I'm mesmerizing from the head to the feet. See, swag is blind, that might make it go.
DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla.
Y'all should know, that's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. Hold on, baby girl, what you trying to do? Trying to learn some new moves? Where you walking shoes? Hold on, bro. Bend over for a better view. Now you got me sitting up like it's comic view. Wanna stretch your body out like an accordion, cause you attending so side like a Borgian. But go ahead, girl, and rock out. Watching your cleavage, hoping one of them shits pop out. You damn right you got your boy waiting, so I can suck on your nipples like you was lactating. Use a knockout. Here's your father floor. Never mind, bro, pop it like a 90s toy. I'm on your back like a John Sport. While we grind on this dance floor. But once we done gyrating, you know you coming with me like we was love making. Boy walk in. Y'all Y'all should know, it's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. See, we got this bitch hotter than a sauna, with more bottles than C&B at the condo. See, tonight we gon' get it in. Marshalls couldn't shut us down, even if it was Eminem. You see, I'm up on these shorties red, cause I got some suave nigga and some debonair. Ask for a blunt nigga, I'ma face that. Hands in the air like I'm asking where the safe at. See, I'm telling, I'm not asking you. Better throw it back, baby girl, like a lateral. Because honestly, wanna see if you can take shots like from biology. If you can't, well then that's my bad. Let's continue stepping, girl, like it's rehab. Coolio, this is all the way live. No parassailing, girl, so don't blow my high. When your boy walk in, y'all should know, that's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know.
So business, what's going on, man?
Spark that dro.
They got the phone up, man. I know you rocking right now on the social media, but tell the people right now what's going on with you. I know we got the interview coming up next Thursday, but give the people a little preview what's going on with you, what you got coming up. I know we got the showcase coming up. We got the album release party next week. So just get a little people a little preview, you know what I mean? Little something what's going on, what you got going on, how this album came about and all that, you know what I mean? I'll give you a couple of minutes to do your thing, you dig?
You damn right, you got your boy waiting, so I can suck on your nipples like you was lactating, or use a knockout. Is your father Floyd? Never mind, girl, bop it like a 90s tub. When your boy walk in, y'all should know, that's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. Hold on, baby girl, what you trying to do? Trying to learn some new moves? Where you walking shoes? Hold on, boo. Bend over for a better view. Now you got me sitting up like it's comic view. Wanna stretch your body out like an accordion, cause you attending suicide like a Borkian. But go ahead, girl, and rock out. Watching your cleavage, hoping one of them shits pop out. You damn right, you got your boy waiting, so I can suck on your nipples like you was lactating, or use a knockout. Is your father Floyd? Never mind, girl, bop it like a 90s toy. I'm on your back like a John Sport. While we grind on this dance floor. But once we done gyrating, you know you coming with me like we was love making. Boy walk in, y'all should know, that's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. See, we got this bitch hotter than a sauna, with more bottles than C&B at the condo. See, tonight we gon' get it in. Marshalls couldn't shut us down, even if it was Eminem. You see, I'm up on these shorties red, cause I got some suave nigga and some debonair. Ask for a blunt nigga, I'ma face that. Hands in the air like I'm asking where the safe at. See, I'm telling, I'm not asking you. Better throw it back, baby girl, like a lateral. Because honestly, wanna see if you can take shots like from biology. If you can't, well then that's my bad. Let's continue stepping, girl, like it's rehab. Coolio, this is all the way live. No parassailing, girl, so don't blow my high. When your boy walk in, y'all should know, that's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to spark that dro. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. boy walk in, y'all should know. That's about that time to start that drought. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on dance floor. When your boy walk in, y'all should know. It's about that time to start that drought. Every female in here, they should know. It's about that time, get on.
Yo, we're swimming, America. So, I guess, I don't know what's going on. We might have a little technical difficulties or something. Oh, well, I guess Shot Black just want me to just talk my shit, man. Alright, well, for those of y'all who don't know me, man, my name is B-I-double-Z. You know what I'm saying? Any double S going down in history is one of the best. Throw the fence up, man. We in the building. Swim Entertainment. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my SGB niggas. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my Zany gang niggas. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my SCD niggas. Carlton Ave. You know what I'm saying? We in the building. Coney Island, the 30 blocks, of course, Marlboro, you already know we're swimming, nigga. You know what I'm saying? 11 Alive, tatted on me, so I'm riding till I die, man. You already know what's up. Rest peace, Reg Nice, Tank Cosmic, Mike Quan, you know what I'm saying? Buzzin' Hermit, you know what I mean? We in the building. But, you know, basically, in a week from now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just heard a couple of cuts, you know what I mean, off for the second volume, you know what I'm saying, on my mixtape run, you know what I'm saying? I took a break, you know what I'm saying? So I actually fell out of the race for quite some time. You know what I mean? Was doing the battle rap stuff for a minute, you know, for those of y'all who, you know what I'm saying, still don't know who I am. You type my name on YouTube, my battles will pop right up. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want y'all to get real acquainted with me with that, you know what I'm saying? So I figured, you know what I'm saying, it's time to jump back in this booth and, you know, get back, you know what I'm saying, and trying to be in the league, you know what I'm saying? I had fun doing street ball for quite some time. I'm ready to, you know what I'm saying, go back and get endorsements and, you know what I'm saying, all-star games and shit like that. But, you know, metaphorically speaking, y'all know what I mean. But anyway, currently right now, you know, next week, we got the mixtape release party at Ooh La La, you know what I'm saying, Bar 391 Howard Avenue. For those of y'all that's trying to pop out, you already, you know what I mean? So basically, currently right now, man, I'm just working, man, you know what I'm saying? We also got 2 other projects dropping this year, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna reveal those yet, you know what I mean? But currently right now, we also in the work of 2 other projects. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm working. Also, you know what I'm saying, we in heavy video production too, so get ready for like a whole lot of videos to start coming from me. You know what I'm saying? We just got to get the right ones, you know, which ones make sense to shoot or whatever, you know, promote all projects or, you know, definitely the current project. So currently right now, it's just a lot of brainstorming that we got going on. We just figured, you know, release the tape. You know, you've been gone for a minute, just give people something to rock to, and then, you know, when you start dropping the visuals, you know, they'll start running back to the tape, or, you know, they'll start telling their friends to run to the tape, or whatever the case may be. So, you know, we got a lot of things planned. I mean, also, you know, as far as the battle and stuff go, y'all might catch me here and there, you know what I'm saying, if the call is right. You know what I mean? I got one coming up in June, but, you know, that's no here, no there. Currently right now, basically, like I said again, we just working, man. Also, my Zany gang and SGB partners, you know what I'm saying, we also getting ready to get a mixtape going on. You know what I'm saying, I got also a collab with an old, you know what I'm saying, original Swim member. You know what I'm saying, we getting ready to team up and do a whole little collab thing or whatever, you know what I'm saying, too. So, shout out my boy Freeze, you already know, throw the fins up, bro. We in here. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, we just working, man. I can't really call it. You know what I mean? Yeah, fins up, swim, baby. It's my shit. It's my shit. It's my shit. I did. What I got for this? What I got for this? I said, okay, what the fuck is up? Hold on, throw me back real quick, Shaq. Let me get in this. What you thinking? Let me go. Alright, my bad. Let me stop playing with y'all. Let me go for real.
DJ Shabla.
Okay, what the fuck is up? Fuck around, hoes in your top like a sippy cup. Hold your breath, nigga, like a hiccup. You see me coming off the whisk, nigga, the grip ain't stuck. Listen, my nigga, I ain't playing no games. Every bar that I spit, man, this shit straight fames. Every time, man, your boy even step in the booth, it's like I swear to God, I play the game of duck, duck, boost. Because I tap these rappers with no hesitations. I swear to God, every bar is like a cremation. Yeah, these niggas is trash, they work for sanitation. And I'm up in they bitch ass, no procrastinating. Listen, man, your boy is too anal. Speaking in your bitch, man, the bitch, she gave me anal. Said that my size, man, this shit is too painful. I swear to God, with these bars, nigga, I'm painful. Yeah, man, I'm sick and deranged. When it come to these bars, we ain't on the same page. See, when I spit, nigga, man, I'm bringing the rage. And get two knots on your top, look like a lady of rage. I swear to God, man, these bars is impeccable. You act stupid, nigga, turn your ass to a vegetable. You dig me? Man, your boy is tripe, I turn you to a vegetable. Welcome to that vegan life, I swear to God. Yeah, boy, I'm too nice with it. And that's why I'm the head of fucking sick with it. Yeah, throw them fins up, motherfucker, throw them M's up. And if you gang banging, motherfucker, throw your rims up. It's 1-8 trade, man, I'ma bang to the last day. Your boy be at double Z, I bang it the long way. Get crazy, back out that M80 and let it bang, turn you white, nigga, Slim Shady. Damn, man, your boy just talking. All these rap niggas, man, they belong in a coffin. When it come to these bars, man, I'm sorta like Bossman, man. I got this shit locked. My nigga, man, the hammer pop. Listen, let me stop playing with him. Run down, nigga, and I let the bligger hit him. Nah, I gotta be professional. I'm sorta like extraterrestrials. I'm on the top with it. So damn exquisite. Yeah, hit the ride like a exhibit. Damn, with bars, man, I'm the meal ticket. No Charlie bucket. Man, my man a bucket. Listen, man, I bring the shakers shivers. Have your bitch running like the chocolate river. I bet she want ya. listen. That's a little something. I was just playing. That's a little something. I was just playing. That's something. I was just playing.
You know what we do, baby, each and every Thursday right here. Triplevibes Radio. Shout out to each and everybody rocking out on Instagram Live. I go by the name of DJ Shabla, baby. Follow me. That boy business got some heat. We rocking out next week, Friday. Ooh la la, bar 391. 391 Howard Avenue, man. I'm going to say it real slow. 391 Howard Avenue. Hop out, pop out tomorrow. Pop out, hop out next week. Each and every Friday, each and every Saturday. But next week is going to be a problem. Representing at that bar 391, man. That album release party business definitely in the building, brother. Thank you for coming through. Next week we're gonna do it real good, real proper. We're gonna do at least an hour. You know what I mean? We're gonna talk about a whole lot of things. We might even get political. I don't know. We might take it there. You know what I mean? Triplevibes Radio, man. Each and every Thursday right here, 8 to 10 is what we do, man. Shout out to my boy D Nice. That's my partner in crime. You know what I mean? We're gonna take it. Then we're going to take it down south. I'm going to take it down. No, actually not down. So I'm taking it to the A. I'm going to take it down south. Shout out to the girl, Archibald. She definitely be sending me them tracks, you know what I mean, every day, you know what I mean. So all my on-sound artists, thank you for sending in that music. Sound.remedy at Yahoo, triple.vibes.com at Gmail. So we're going to keep it going, man. Shop Block, I'm here. Business in the building. Goes by the name Naturally Blessed, baby. On-sound artists, lock in, lock in. Streaming live right now on the YouTube, baby. Follow us, please. Subscribe to that link, baby. Severely clearly money cool. Casey, what going, brother? Shout out to the whole Team Nori family on a check-in, baby. Let's take it to Boston real quick. Goes by the name Mashi Word.
God of his mercy.
Had him on the show last week, Thursday, baby. Check that YouTube page for that interview.
Again. All right. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh. Militant like me born in a ants nest. Nothing not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access. Me ready for bust like a obsess. Jamaican road boy, check me accent. If it ain't about the money, it don't make sense. Kaka family have to feature the expense. Oxygen deprivation. Them get claustrophobic over station. Food go there for your week and say too long. Boy, you dash with the weed and it legal. God of his mercy.
I always say marijuana legal, no. Mashi Word, bastard, upscale, no.
Alright. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh. Militant like me born in a ants nest. Nothing not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access. Me ready for bust like a obsess. Jamaican road boy, check me accent. If it ain't about the money, it don't make sense. Kaka family have to feature the expense. Oxygen deprivation. Them get claustrophobic over station. Food go there for your week and say too long. Boy, you dash with the weed and it legal. Remember, we are the realest in our real life. I'm a Muslim alone, have 3 wives. What the difference when the bees bitch and the bees bite? Plus, me neck allergic to fake ice. Where them I do, where them I say, it not look good. Where them I do, where them I try, it not sound right. Any boy no want a girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, more life. Where them I do, where them I try, it not look good. Where them I do, where them I say, it not sound right. Any boy no want a girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, more life. Me no smoke weed when me never roll. Me no hype over things when me never own. Me prefer stay broke down, sell me soul. Just say holy faith and you will walk the street of gold. So me continue, me play the role. The brick them refuse, end up be the cornerstone. When you a speak, watch your tone. Dog, now me bone, me not talk about chromosome. Yeah, oxygen deprivation. Them get claustrophobic over station. Phone go there for a week and say too long. Boy, you dash with the weed and it legal. Remember, we are the realest in a real life. And no Muslim alone have 3 wives. What the difference with the bees bitch and the bees bite? Plus, me neck allergic to fake ice. Where them I do, where them I try, it not look good. Where them I do, where them I say, it not sound right. Any boy no want no girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, poor life. Where them I do, where them I try, it not look good. Where them I do, where them I say, it not sound right. Any boy no want no girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, poor life. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh. Militant like me born in a ants nest. Nothing not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access. Me ready for bust like a obsess. Jamaican road boy, check me up.
Shout out to the boy Mashi Word, man.
Money, it don't make sense.
But shout out to the boy Kid Convict. Definitely gonna be on the show next week. Actually, I think in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now, man, he gonna be here. I believe that's the 29th. Unsigned artist, man. Thank you guys for sending me that music, man. This guy right here goes by the name of Kid Convict. We'll be live in TriplevibesRadio.
It's for shorty in the back, yeah.
29th, baby.
Yeah, dig, let's get it.
Everybody in line, and I'm tryna be first, yeah. 'Cause you
All of my youth, the rum so smooth. Got
Kid Convict, baby, TriplevibesRadio, Radio, Shop Black.
I can do what
Business still rocking out.
tell a bartender, man, I might need to. Me not play you, me only play fools. Had to switch it up for the Spanish blues. So me, amor, porque lo chole. Quiero mucho. Tú eres mi corazón, yeah. Cause you know that I want you. Not gonna stop till the brown hits you. So drink from me, and I'll make it your work, yeah. So, do you think of me? So, would you drink from me? Cause I've been drinking.
This guy in here writing lyrics already, man. Cool out, Brody. Yeah, man. Shout out to all my unsigned artists definitely rocking out with us, man. Shout out to the boy Pop Ciroc. You know what it is, man. This right here is actually my first track that I had a hand in, you know what I mean, creating some far, you know what I mean. Shout out to the boy Rocco. He definitely helped out, you know what I mean. It was his beat, you know what I mean. So he definitely helped out. So I definitely gotta say shout out to the boy Rock. Shout out to the boy Pop Ciroc, you know what I mean. All of the Philly, the whole Boston, the whole Jersey. Shout out to the boy Smacks for definitely making sure this link came through, man. So this one right here, man. Tell me how you like it, man. It's like my first one that I had my hands on a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? Pop Ciroc, I see you, man. Shop Black, business independent. We here. Let's move.
I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. Started up quick in the basement, working but grinding so patient.
Oh shit.
Since I could taste it, I had no time for the fake shit.
Fran Chet, what up, baby?
Late shift 24/7, the great shift.
Meredith, what up, baby? I see you each and every Thursday. I see you. Yo, Dukes, brother, wagwan.
Mentally draining, I'm feeling attacked. The way that the city might fall on my back. When I vision, as simple as that. Trigger finesse, I got right off the track.
Just rocking out with some unsigned artist shit right now. You know what I'm talking about?
They won't last. Running the pot and got right on my back. I see they hating, I know that they mad. I kept on pushing, went right with the plans. Riding them ways, they got stuck in the jam. Never done doubted, I knew that I can. I knew I'd do it, I felt like the man. I kept on working, investing in bands. Loving them numbers, I do it again. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that
Shout out to everybody from Philly, man.
trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. I had no time to be hating, was grinding, was planning, creating. I knew I definitely would make it. Stick to my guns and I'm destined for greatness. I knew these niggas was faking. Rap about nothing these niggas was making. They see I'm coming, I planned it out right, so the throne is just out for the taking. I kept my foot on the gas. Lately I'm dripping the swag. They got me right in my bag. Watch me, I'm feeling the dead. See them, they post on the ad. They do not got an attack. I seen it all in the past. I need it all on the map. I roll it all in the bag. I got it all in my jag. Break the door, now I'm in the game. Floor the pedal, now I'm switching lanes. Don't compare me, we're not the same. Flow crazy, I'm the fucking same. Hey, I'm talking, but they all lame. Guess they heard me, now they know the name. I'm Pop Ciroc, I'm the fucking main. Think I lose, better guess again. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth. I was trying to get it, hustle making moves. Got my head spraying, hoping that I lose. Trying to kill my dream, everything I do. I know I'ma make it, I know that's the truth.
We had this guy on the show a couple of weeks ago, goes by the name of Doc Samil. He said he's gonna make his way back up to the TriplevibesRadio. Radio.
Hey, your bitch wanna party with Docs, and you just bought her a watch. I'm getting necking a lot. Shorty, she neck me a lot. The bread make the negative energy stop. Connecting them dots on them stretching and squat. You gotta show you shit.
On artists, baby, let's roll, let's roll, let's ride.
Man, you hate from outside of the club. They ain't as honest as us. Please give me my dollars at once. Pray to the Lord, I don't die in the slums. You see me reaching my pinnacle, pitiful niggas, they ridicule cause they ain't in this position to get it too. I got some hitters that hit for the prison.
Yo, big boy.
Ain't nobody like me.
Brother, ain't not real life.
It don't matter where you put me, nigga, I'ma get it, call me Kyrie. Living in the fucking studio, I'm about to get it on my ID. I ain't leaving till I give it to him, and my wrist is cool as iced tea. How could I ever believe somebody was better than me? How could I never achieve and act like the power is not just invested in me? Niggas, you petty with cheese, you niggas is sesame seeds. Thinking you ready.
We playing our own shit tonight, man.
You ready to bleed? Is that on you back on your knees? Ain't no controlling them hoes. I bust them open and go. Fresh on my head to my toes.
Shout out to everybody trying to get that bag right now.
Under pressure you fold. When I get mine, there's no letting go. Shit, when it's my time.
Doc Sabil, what up, brody?
Already sound like protect. Had to grind for my signature move. That's what you see when I'm signing them checks. Bottom more wet and designing the vest. I ain't the one you gon' try to finesse. Swing on you niggas like running your test. Promise on done when I down with connects. I'ma grind to my squad on a tropical jet. And you blind if you don't think it's obvious yet.
Long nights in the city, I wanna run shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Long nights in the city, run the shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn.
Goes by the name of Trev Muller.
Spread the love, count the Benjis. Oh man,
long nights, baby, New York City.
Goddamn, oh man, goddamn. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Long nights in the city, cop a half, fuck a 50. Make the money who's with me. I got my team all with me. Money on the game, I'ma do my thing. Switching on my belts, call that pootie tank. Rolling, pronto, got that 9, call it Rondo. My niggas in the condo, party, nigga roll up with pronto.
Mula, that one there about it, I realize.
Long nights in the city, yeah.
That shit's tough. Triplevibes Radio, Shot Black Business is round.
Long nights in the city, I wanna run shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count them Benjis. Long nights in the city, run the shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Long nights in the city, cop a half, fuck a 50. Make the money who's with me. I got my team all with me. Money on the game, I'ma do my thing. Switching on my belts, call that pootie tank. Rolling, pronto, got that 9, call it Rondo. My niggas in the condo, party, nigga roll up with Fronto. Gang, gang with me, bang, bang with me. My niggas, they crazy. Running shit like Diddy. I don't even need a deal. I don't care how you feel. Tell them niggas who the real. I'ma go and get the real. Jugging through the city. Who's with me? Jugging through the city. I'm running shit like Diddy. Long nights in the city, I wanna run shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Long nights in the city, run the shit like Diddy. Count the money, burn the 50. Spread the love, count the Benjis. Oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn, oh man, goddamn.
First time I see this boy, man, I swear this boy gonna do something. Representing Brooklyn, East New York. Trev Muller, what up?
Inside nigga, inside nigga, yeah. That's how we move. We don't do pop out.
Shout out to my boy D Glove, Terror Dome on that check-in, baby. I don't know what part of the world you at, brother, but be safe, let's go. Brooklyn, what up, man? East New York, Trev Muller. Shot Block still rocking out business in the building each and every Thursday, 8 o'clock. On song artists lock in, it's what we do. Triplevibes, let's go.
that's how we move. We don't do pop outs. Mop out, they Glock. My homies don't cop out, yeah. In the street, they leave you dead. Even the feds tryna put numbers on heads. I'ma go and get this bread. That's what I said before a real nigga dead. Hop out, that's how we move. We don't do pop outs. Mop out, they Glock.
Brooklyn Avenue, checking that's what I'm talking about. 486, what up? Born on the checking, what up?
I'ma go and get this bread.
B11 and checking, what up?
Real nigga dead. Don't believe me, just watch. I was blessed to get this guap. Bro, pockets always watch. And quick to say that they pop. Come on. I don't respect. Who you gon' run on? Move on, got tracks. You say can't run on, yeah. Had to go and get a tool. Graduated, then it's right back to school. Who you think that you gon' take as a fool? In the game, yes, a youngin' can't lose. I'm a beast in the east. I'm a plug to this beast, yeah. I know thugs in the streets. Gotta get it, gotta eat, yeah. Wait your turn, take a seat, yeah. They crossing dreams, I'm not me, yeah. Homies' lies got me weak, yeah. I bust a check every week, yeah. I don't chuck, swing.
Mola, what up, bro?
Pushing lanes, different seats, yeah. All my movers, they with me, yeah. All these coolies see I'm fleet, yeah. I'm rolling loud, I can hear. I'm feeling good, I don't care. Making moves everywhere. I'm a flex anywhere. I hit the Brody for the.
So we got a whole lot of shit to play tonight, man.
I'ma hit
JC, the producer, what up? Let's go.
Pineapple kush, I put my team on.
Shout out to that girl Archibald, you already know what it is, man. Each and every Thursday, this is what we do. Shot Black, I'm here. Unsigned artists, please lock in. Send your music, sound.remedy at Yahoo. Triplevibes.com at Gmail, baby. Once you got that heat, man, it's gonna get on. This one right here, man, Pineapple Kush. JC, the producer, what up? Let's take it down south.
Pineapple kush, I put my team on.
Yeah, he called in 2 weeks ago.
I had to pour the lean on. Yeah, all this ice 0 degrees on. I take flight like
streaming live right now, YouTube, baby.
What's bragging, nigga, what it be?
Streaming live on that Facebook. Shout out to everybody locked in. Let's go.
Tell me how could I ever be long? Shawty fucking with the team, what? Oh, yeah. Shawty fucking with the team, what? Get paid, thumbing through a check. Keep some money on me. I got some pocket rockets and they probably stolen. My young niggas, they ready to kick a dough. Right to 10 hours, blood on the floor. It's all about that money and you know it. I burn my left hand, I might burn up hard. Don't be might call me and I might ignore it. I got some racks off in the store. Just some racks off in the stash. Got your big hook, just like chorus. All that she wanted was little cash. That's your big nigga if you don't believe it. Know I like all the whole conceit. My bitch be like, yo, ho, sneeze. Pineapple fruit, great codeine. Yeah, we on that. Pineapple kush, I put my team on. Lemon lime Sprite. I had to pour the lean on. All this ice 0 degrees on. I take flight like a kite or like I keep some extra wings on. What's bragging, nigga, what it be on? As long as I got Benjamins, how could I ever be long? Shawty fucking with the team, yeah. Shawty fucking with the team, hey, full of load of AP. When he caught the match and rollin'. The loud made me lazy. But still I'm drinking Cody. Hey, but I can change life in one night shot. Hey, your friends say you a freak, shit, but you gon' have to show me. Tell your man don't run up on me. No, I do not think he know me. I hang with real goons. Ain't no telling what they told me. She whispered in my ear. Ain't no telling what she told me. Oh, music too loud. Oh, drugs too potent. Yeah, we on pineapple kush, I put my team on. Lemon lime Sprite. I had to pour the lean on. All this ice 0 degrees on. I take flight like a kite or like I keep some extra wings on. What's bragging, nigga, what it be on? As long as I got Benjamins, how could I ever be long? Shawty fucking with the team, yeah. Shawty fucking with the team, yeah.
Let's take it to a little homegrown. M1. Each and every Friday, man, 10 to 12, catch this guy live right here at Triplevibes Radio. Go by the name of M116, Messiah Movement.
I'm smoking on. It is so loud. It is so loud. Got me I up in the cloud. the cloud. Herb that I'm smoking on, it's so strong, so potent. Hold on, roll up a split and roll up an X fucking one. All up in my lawn, just a big hand.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
No plating when it come to place in the order. More expensive when you cross the border. Don't know what charter. Wanna hold a conversation. Tell me what you call for. Say you want something original. Nothing mixed up.
First hour straight unsigned artist, man.
Still label as a criminal.
Got 6 minutes left.
Certain individual, I figured it. Just feeding in the man, no back to waste. My time critical. Take it on a tour guide. So in spirit time touchdown. Then regulate, not meditate. Weed, it a stimulate. Talk about clown. No, you can't imitate. Timothy and try simulate. Can't get this straight. I'm smoking on. It is so loud, it is so loud. Got me high up in the cloud. Got me high up in the cloud. Herb that I'm smoking on, it's so strong, so potent. Hold on, roll up a split and roll up an X
fucking one.
All up in my lung, just a big hand.
I swear to you, a big thing I go on in the studio, man. Shout out to each and everybody locked in, you know what I mean? Each and every Thursday right here, 8 to 10, man. Each and everybody on that checking, each and everybody on that Facebook, everybody on that Instagram, all social medias, definitely on that YouTube, you know what I mean? Shout out like this is what I do each and every Thursday. Alongside my brother in crime, goes by the name of DJ D Nice, you know what I mean? So I'm about to squeeze off this tune right here. It goes by the name of Real Warrior. Actually, it goes by the name of Freedom Cry. I'm sorry, I apologize. The name of the song is Real Warrior. We actually had him on the show last week, Thursday. He called in. You know what I mean? So this one right here is real to the heart. You know what I mean? So you know when you be in dance and the man say in our real life. So this is in our real life. So this one right here, unsigned artists, definitely get used to this one because I'm going to be playing this one a whole lot. You know what I mean? The name of this song right here, again, is Real Warrior, and the artist is Freedom Cry. You know what I mean? Check the YouTube and the Instagram and definitely my Facebook because we had this guy called in live last week and we definitely had a great interview, so you guys could check this one out. You know what I mean? So kicked off like a ball.
Yo, Jarian. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All unsigned artists, baby.
You call out the warrior them wrong, yeah. Da 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 da, man a real warrior. Da 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 da. Well, tell them, brother.
Walk one freedom.
No, 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 no. Man a real warrior. Tell them, man a real rebel. Jaja and me guide and me shield and me sword well bevel. Ready fi go conquer the devil. Tell them, man a real warrior. Tell them, man a rebel. Jaja and me guide and me shield and me sword well bevel. Ready fi go conquer the devil. Hey, watch ya now. Now war with them bombs and guns. Spiritual fire burn. Make all of them metal melt down to the ground. No mess with Jaja's son. Good over evil, me nah run. Well, even though I charge through the valleys of death, me no fear no evil because me don't get silly by the Almighty One who a guide and protect me life from day one. Me nah stop shampoo Satan cause man a real warrior. Tell them man a real rebel. Jaja and me guide and me sheep.
Once again goes by the name of Freedom Cry, baby.
Go conquer the devil. Tell them man a real warrior. Tell them man a rebel. Jaja and me guide and me shield and me sword well bevel. Ready fi go conquer the devil. Then I want to know humbleness of the road when me choose. Just a rock to the rhythm and a flow to the groove. Nah.
What you think we done? Walk one freedom.
I take where they take it from Africa. I bring it across the waters.
Unsigned artists, baby, lock in is what we do. Turn it up in a man.
True religion, misconception. I
Goes by the name of Freedom Cry. This one is called Religion. Get used to that one, yeah.
I take where they take it from Africa. I bring it across the waters. I chat about them bring us savior.
Each and every Thursday, baby, we bringing you guys the newest heat.
True religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. I just religion and then deception. I even darken up them days. I just religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. A true religion and then deception. It darken up them days. So me go follow preacher man, ya tell me about blessing. Me come fi talk straight conversation, not dress up. Me don't want them blue eye dress us. I a show
Oh shit. Sophie, Wagwan. Wagwan. You know we have a bag of thing for talk about. What are you, dumb? Sophie on the checking, it's all good, man. Shout out to all my friends and family. I'm just cruising on the TriplevibesRadio, baby. That Triplevibes threat. That triple threat. Day nice, walk on, brother.
Like the scribes and the Pharisees, them self-righteous. And in them doctrine, you're just carcass. Them no hear the manual and them no read Marcus. As some me know them no conscious. Watch out now, Rasta man we stand up tall, we are surplus. So them can't play we like so we are circus. Oh yes, Rasta. You know you're blessed. True religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. Or just religion and then deception. I be dark enough them days. Or just religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. Or true religion and then deception. It dark enough them days. Yeah, them a this year one we crucify the Messiah. Then I say them a bring truth when me know them a liar. Emmanuel will burn them up in at the fire. For the false prophecy and wickedness then transpire. Mr. Jackie can't die. I tell a bag a lie. I tell me figure look for my God in the sky. When them know the Almighty reside in the eye. And still they among Zion. True religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. Or just religion and then deception. I be dark enough them days. Or just religion, misconception. I believe the people astray. Or true religion and then deception. It dark enough them days. Yeah.
It's my last one of unsung artist right here, man. Robin Hood.
I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die, Look me in my eye, look me in my eye.
Just leave that comment under my Facebook, on the YouTube page, man. Tell me you guys how you feeling about this music.
Don't waste my time. We do this every day. All we do is play. Blowing racks is how we pray. Get to the money, then I stay.
Let's go.
Big money like ocean racks. Wild boy cross surfing waves. Take my time like an old man. You niggas know nothing. On your brain like a headset. Bought my girl a new necklace. I'm so incognito. You niggas never know where I go. Hey. Blowing smoke all in your face. Blowing racks on a daily basis. I got stacks hitting in a place. Hey. Remember they call me baby face. I'm so hot with the third eye mace. Showing fake love, you wanna hear the other day. Whole lot real, know my name in my face. Hold up, never slow up. Smoke so much till I throw up. Unexpectedly chopper show up. 803, that's my bird nest. Step to the rear, better brain fast. He popped the molly, then it lean back. I'm looking like you can have that. Polar red at my hashtag. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. Look me in my eye, look me in my eye. I don't have to lie, I don't have to lie. Please don't waste my time. We do this every day. All we do is play. Blowing racks is how we pray. Get to the money, then I stay. For days I've been living like the maker. That what I mean, I'ma be the face up without that makeup. Cash on the cash, files on the cash, gotta keep my weight up. Feet just like the tree of life, yeah, that's the root of evil. Son that should've never been born like Malcolm in the middle. Don't you understand life is a riddle? Getting to the cash all green like a fiddle. Ooh. My mind is exclusive, these verses exclusive. I woke up this morning like, damn, did you niggas really think I couldn't do?
Just cruising right now with an unsung artist, man.
When it come to this music,
I'm about to take it to that music where I get blocked.
I ain't gotta be, I'ma scream, fuck that, you can't afford this. I don't want
it's okay.
I don't wanna die.
Streaming right now on the YouTube. Definitely on that www.TriplevibesRadio. So if we get blocked on that Facebook, lock in on Triple Vibes, man.
We do this every day. All we do is play. Blowing practice hard, we pray. Get to the money that I stay.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broke and be solving, but still talking shit like they violent. They say that they honest, some money, these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and these niggas gon' blame it on talent. They don't wanna see you win.
Damn, my whole face still don't block me, man.
You don't wanna see a bitch cook.
I'm trying to squeeze in a couple.
Mention at the kind of way to mention it, I'm running out of space. Tell your homie, keep on coming out his mouth and sending something around his waist. Niggas barely getting lawyer money. Better get some sick soy money. Running around like a Superman. Don't be selfish, get your mom insurance money. Woo! Cause I don't wanna put it on your money. I don't wanna make it happen to you niggas. What you fuck around and do for me?
Hop in the Raven, I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out the fifth in the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. Liddy again, I got it, we did it, we Liddy again. Feature money out of safe when they bought a Ray, brought it on college. Niggas so they let they wonder where we in the city now.
All this ice on me on cold, I need a Montclair. All this water on me on wet, I need some swim gear. I fuck bitches by the threes, I don't do the pairs. And I only fuck with the gang, I don't do the squares. She call me daddy when she see me, bitch, she glad to see me. I was starving, now you see me on your plasma TV. I hit the gas and get on my level, and it take me there. I just might spaz, I just might crash, if they don't play me fair. Glock 9 on me, all in my shows, took to my underwear. Right now. And I'ma blow it if a nigga try me. He don't take me there. Drop all in my pocket, look like that pass. When your bill cost a lot, she like, why say? I leveled up, I'm feeling poor.
I got power. I'm so cool. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it. Perks and matter. Flying chain. I just fucked the face. I don't know her name. Tom Brady, Tony Snow. I just backdoored your hoe. Going crazy at the drill. I just suicide with doors.
Coop sitting nice on some new feet. New sneakers. I took your bitch out the pocket door. She tried to order a sloppy Joe. I told her give me some sloppy topping. Then let her know she a sloppy hoe. Twin pick me up in this brand new Bugatti. 2 million cash, this is not a Ferrari. 260 the dash. I smoke anybody. 150K cash and fit in my pocket. This is that D6. Shout out to Drizzy and D6. Coop sitting nice on some new feet. New sneakers. I took your bitch out the Papados. She tried to order a sloppy Joe. I told her give me some sloppy topping. Then let her know she a sloppy hoe. Twin pick me up in this brand new Bugatti. 2 million cash, this is not a Ferrari. 260 the dash. I smoke anybody. 150K cash and fit in my pocket. This is that D6. Shout out to Drizzy and D6. Mafia like it's the 3-6. Choppers make niggas do B-flips. Put the heat to your moon like an eclipse. Burn niggas like a freak bitch. Flip and turn you like a key switch. Cause you bit the hand that I feed with. Yeah, only time to tell, nigga. I sat back and try to tell niggas if you try to test me, watch you fail, nigga. D666, I'm raising hell, nigga.
That wish I come to fulfill your that wish. First I must refill my beverage. That's promethazine, so separate. That's from Texas, she's from who knows. I got noodles, I ain't stepping.
DJ Shablak, DJ Shablak, DJ Shablak, DJ Shablak.
Check when I land. 2 foreign in the piece. I don't need them. Pull a drop top with it.
Hope I don't get banned for this shit, Facebook, please. We just cruising, baby.
Look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Got me 2 bitches, I beat it up. They thinking I'm wife and deleting them. Oh wait, pints in, call up rocket. My brother play like a socket. Kicking this door, yeah, I got it. Open the safe, you can't lock it. Sipping that walk, yeah, I go to the top. Bustin' your bitch like a Glock. She like to suck on my clock. I get that money, don't stop. Dexter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you like this beat too, but you a fucking goofy though. Oh wait. Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years, right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch you do coke. Broken cell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows. While I'm all rich, Fendi right on my clothes. Hold on, little mama, you tweaking. A bad bitch, Puerto Rican. Get her out, Molly, she geeking. Call me a free every shit for the weekend. Next time. You know what I'm saying? Like, no. We only can chill for the weekend. You gotta go.
I'm one of the prettiest motherfuckers that ever been to Dexter.
Roll the beat low, color orange mingling. Roll the weed low, and my old school Mercedes smoke on G.
Just rocking up every no Thursday, let's go. A little freestyle to get to that reggae, that dance on real soon.
Why you waste my time? I'm trying to smoke, trying to get high. See it in my eye. I know she playing both sides. That's telling lies. But my girl go high. She down for the ride. I'm hating, kill the vibe. Live your life. Bad, this Hawaii. Umbrella with ice. 10 baby on my side. Make them on my right. Smoking on the finest ganja. She like China White. Popping all these pills. She said she used to it. She wanna go way up. Okay, baby, if you're used to it. And I know that you a grown woman. And I know that you know what you're doing.
Yeah. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things, almost gave up on the music thing. But we all so spoiled now.
Just cruising, baby, shot black.
Must have never had your phone tap. All that yapping on the phone shit. You must really let her roll life. All that never coming home shit. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Don Rose toes. Hitting hills where I pose. I start my day slow.
New York City, bright lights. Yeah. I walk in the club, nobody with me getting packed down. They with me. Don't make us catch a body in this bitch.
Triplevibes Radio, man, let's cruise, let's go.
Beefing with us bring death. And you don't want them problems? No, man. That's like sexing one of the Magic Johnson hoes and not putting on the condom.
Ew.
Homie, I'm a prime example of what the truth is. Facts. If I ain't the realest nigga in this club, then that means somebody in my crew is. Who gon' disagree? They know how we get down. Oh, we're shooting in this club like them niggas that shot sugar. No, it wasn't meant for Chris Brown. We turned up, drinking all this Hennessy. No champagne, just 20 bottles of Hennessy. I'm like, drinking all this Hennessy. Got every nigga in here looking like my enemy. I'm ready to pop.
Shout out to the boy Rock Solid in the building. Up next, baby, Rock Solid Thursdays.
0 to 100. We do that real quick.
That boy DJ Gravity, man.
You know this real shit. This is for the streets. My niggas need
my old Triplevibes Radio family, you know what it is. One link, one team, one family.
Help
bus get
One vibes.
Niggas be
Motherfucker, triple vibes.
get full. Praying for their life. Praying for their life. Or praying for their freedom. We know niggas that's dead on jail. Too many. And Lord, we don't wanna be them. But I wanna run up in the precinct and get the squeezing. This from Mike Brown and Sean Bass, so now we even. When I'm turned up, that's negative energy. I'ma do some shit that's gonna make the man remember me.
Shit real too. I ain't gonna stop.
We definitely getting banned for this shit tonight.
Ain't gonna stop.
Definitely getting banned for this shit. YouTube, what up, man? Rock with me. 9:30, we turn up dance hall.
I see the top, to the top of my Maybach, nigga. To the top of my
DJ
Maybach. I see the top of the 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 Maybach. Oh, I see the top of the Maybach. Oh, I see the top of the Maybach. Yeah.
I seen Jay-Z, Beyonce in Jamaica.
I need a purple behind me. Woo.
They ain't gonna stop.
I see the purple behind me. I ain't gonna stop.
I see the purple behind me. I ain't gonna stop.
I jack the top off the Maybach. Fuck these cops. V12, C12. I do the whole dash with no seatbelt. Screaming free my nigga Meek Mill. Niggas can't willy in this free world. Meanwhile, Georgie Paul, you sending me threats. Save your breath, you couldn't beat a flight of steps. Try that shit.
A lot of people broke buying them on the run 2 tickets.
Back in the coop. Let's go back to the mud, I hop right out the soup. Save all that whoopie-whoop, let's let the
A lot of y'all spent that bag.
No jewels in this paddock fillet. It's complicated, 3 million a piece. That's how we do time. You shocked by the mag, that's how we do wine. 91,000 for a wine bill. Keep it real with you, that was wine bill. My whole team ball. Everybody's a star but the team ball. 61 with the thing off. Me and Blue having a sing off. That's a raspberry, beret. The kind you find in a secondhand store. That's a vintage piece. Kind of make haters kiss their teeth. You can't buy this new. I had to back. You know how I do. 2-tone with the powder blue. Realest shit to come out the stew. Khaled is valid, every word is true. What these niggas gonna do without us?
I see the top of the Maybach. 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 To the top of my Maybach, nigga. To the top of my Maybach.
I chop the top off and notice. Ride around town with the floaters. 1.5 for the land delay. B put the fuckboy on notice.
I'm the only lady that's still the realest nigga in the room.
Who she talking about?
I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2. My body.
Who she talking about?
Sean real, I'm a triple threat. Fuck it up and then leave, come back, fuck it up and leave again. Top of the coupe and it look like Freak Nick. In the hood hollering Freak me. Too deep, it's just me and Jay. Jump both and then don't go sideseas. Woo! I like holla. Woo! I might roll up. If they tryna party with the queen, they gon' have to find another
They said she talking about a Tiffany Haddish. I don't know. She definitely said her name right there. How we feel? 9:30 straight dance hall, straight heat. 2018 and better, man. YouTube lock in, I swear to you. D-Nice, what up, bro? Sophie said wet.
That's the role of a boss.
Yeah.
So amazing to see.
Triplevibes, let's go.
Watch. She say love is for free, just expensive to shop, but it's nothing to me. That extends from my block. I got a lot of figures, yeah. I'm a father figure. She know a lot of niggas, don't know a how to nigga. Come to the winner's circle. A lot of men will hurt you, but I'm here to nurture. I wanna take it further. She got all them purses. I say in my verses, YSL and Hermes and barely scratch the surface. She know her purpose. As I peel the curtains, I always make her nervous. This record's perfect.
Don't think about it, be about it. Don't be scared to take it to the head. Girl, you fly, but if I tell you, then you might take it to the head.
No reputation for busting, pussy open is nothing. Big fat nigga, all that huffing and puffing. Take me shopping in France, and he paying in advance. He copy baseball, ran the
Shout out to all the bad boy team, man. I'm gonna put it on it right now. Day 26. Just a little song for everybody right now. Shot Black, I'm rocking out. Let's bounce, bounce, bounce.
Honey walked up in the club, dressed looking like it's painted on. I can tell that she ain't got any panties on. But baby, that's the way that I like.
Phone lines open, baby. It's definitely buzzing. 718-622-4590. I ain't taking no calls right now, man. I'm just rocking out. I'm just cruising. At me on my social media. I might shout you out.
Take her to my spot in the zone.
Rest in peace to that girl Aaliyah, baby. Triple vibes.
Say what? Here we go. Baby girl.
Throwback Thursday right now. 9:30 straight dance on 2018.
Say what?
Rest in peace to that girl Aaliyah. Let's go. Just rocking out with my ladies right now. I'm an independent lady, Shot Black, Triple Vibes. Let's go. Shout out to my ladies right now. I'm in love. You know what this feel like. Bob Marley said when it hits you, feel no pain.
My chick on the side says she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm pro and I don't know.
My guys in the motherfucking building.
Gotta give part two of my confessions. If I'm gonna tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn, they cried when I got that phone call. I'm so low, I don't know what to do but to give part two of my confessions. It's gonna be the hardest thing I think I ever did.
I love her 'cause she got her own.
Ladies, y'all remember this one right here, man. Just taking it back right now, a little throwback on that Thursday.
I love her 'cause she got her own. She don't need mine, she should leave mine alone. There ain't nothing that's more sexy than the girl that won't but don't need me.
Let's go.
Young, independent, yeah, she work hard, but you can't tell from the way that she walks. She don't slow down 'cause she ain't got time to be complaining. Shorty gon' shine. She don't expect nothing from no guy. She plays aggressive, but she's still shy. But you never know her softer side by looking in her eyes. Knowing she can do for herself makes me wanna give her my wealth. Only kind of girl I want. Independent queen working for her throne. I love her 'cause she got her own.
Rest in peace to the girl Aaliyah. They say 2 wrongs don't make it right. So what happened to 3 wrongs? Ladies, let's go.
Did you sleep on the wrong side? I'm catching a bad vibe, and it's contagious. What's the latest? Speak your heart, don't bite your tongue. Don't get it twisted, don't misuse it. What's your problem? Let's resolve. We can solve. What's the cause? It's official. You got issues, I got issues, but I know I miss you. Yeah. Who should be hurt? Who should be blamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be shamed?
Each and every Thursday right here at TriplevibesRadio.com.
Who should be
A little song for everybody, baby. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, rocking out. What's up? What's up? What's up? Five minutes before we get into that straight dancehall, baby. Send that link, send that link. Big boy, I see you. Sophie, I see you. Smacks, I see you.
Hey yo, I got a resolution. This year I'm playing right. No 615 this year. Yeah, you can stay tonight. We can go bowling. It ain't like before. Can't y'all see that I'm growing? I was so immature. I was young and having money. Having honeys come to the crib, digging they shit, and they couldn't get cab money from me. Some bad chicks didn't get past the bridge. I went to One Trump Plaza on their asses. No room service, just snacks and shit. Work with those little Debbies. When you done, get ready. The chicks I was fiending to smash, let them lean on the cash. Would take them on long trips, then break them with long dick. There was no such thing as strong relationships, but I'm off that player shit. I need a chick that practice Tai Chi to still get vibe me and give me some good head, and I'll make her remind me. It's when I wanna dream before it, and usually when I wear a suit, I leave with not one.
Just throwing it back right now for my ladies. Remember when that sex was real? Don't be afraid to sing this one out. 9:30 straight dancehall heat 2018. What to remember? And it goes like this.
I'm looking in the mirror at this woman down and down.
What a thing in the man.
She's internally dying to know this was not what love's about.
What do I tell you?
I don't wanna be this woman the second time around.
Ladies, lock in right now. Shop Block is in control. Triplevibes Radio, let's go, baby. What them say you kick in the back door?
The sweetest thing I've ever known.
Why?
Was like the kiss on the collarbone. The soft caress of happiness.
2 minutes, baby. We're gonna get to that straight dancehall heat. Shout out to the boy Rock Solid in the building. Rock Solid Thursday up next 10 p.m.
I wish I didn't get so weak.
Zeno said it's my time, them shot.
Ooh, baby, just to hear you speak.
What we say now?
Makes me argue just to see
What a thing on.
how much you're in love with.
And it goes like this.
Feel like a queen.
And it goes a little something like this.
Upon her throne.
Oh, I said enough set goes out to the man like Santonata, but check it.
Was it sweet?
All the man like Super D, Big Boy, me see you.
Sweetest thing I've known. It was the sweetest thing I've known. I get mad when you walk away. So I tell you leave when I meet.
Oh, yes, see that. All my wife hit up on the check it.
Warm as the
sun.
Why Sophia send the link? Sophia, well, send the link.
Fingertips are small amount.
She coming and she say yes. Oh, I said money of respect goes out to PYT. That's my wife, that's my woman in her real life. What's up, baby?
Like your precious, precious.
Baby, I want you to turn up this part of the song there real loud. Turn up the part of the song there real loud and sing it out like this. Come on.
It was a sweet.
Come on.
The sweetest thing I know. Was it?
All the gal I know say you can't sing. I'm not talking about when you in that bathroom, when you in that shower. I'm talking about in a real life. You sing from the bottom, you're in a love. You believe in a love. Sing up the one you loud and proud and a bus crowd. It goes like this.
Speaking on my mother's phone.
What a thing in a man.
A touch it makes me think I'm grown. You ain't grown. Sweet prince of the ghetto. Sweet prince of the ghetto. Your kisses taste like Oretto. Intoxicating, intoxicating. Oh, so intoxicating, intoxicating. How sad, it's so sad, how sad that all things come to.
Happens to be my last one right now. Reaching out to all my freaky ladies. We're getting to some straight dancehall hits, you know what I mean? Nice and easy, Shabla.
Loving the way you put that thing on me. Yeah. Like Fantasy Island, you fulfill my dream.
Shout out to the girlfriend Chess on the check-in.
Making me wanna spend my cash.
All my 9 to 5 family on the check-in, it's all good, baby.
Cause can't nobody free.
Shout out to my wife, PYT, baby, let's go.
You go up and down, left and right, in and out, working like a real freak should, working like a real freak should, and down, left and right, in and out, yeah, working like a real freak should. 2006, drop top parked at my home. I'll be hitting that piece the whole night long. Girl, sex so good, I just can't get enough. Even though your friends say I'm stuck, you still go up and down. You go right, then you go in and out. Like a real freak should. You go up and down. Some cry, some smile.
I told you, man, we're going to get into some straight heat.
We rise to the top, 'cause we know.
Shout out to everybody rocking with me. Shot Black, D Nice, my partner in crime. You know what it is, man. I'm just holding it down. Doug Spin, I see you. Smacks, I see you. The whole team, TriplevibesRadio, Song Sinatra.
Changeable, hey. No matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change me.
Yes. YPYT. YPYT, I want to tell you. Okay.
Life, it's a journey, it's a long race. Mama says, son, be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place.
But that one ain't really not real life.
They got to get erased. I love to me people.
It does some people, them know what they say we do this.
The truth and that can't erase. So hell to all.
Them know why we stand up here tonight.
I said me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight.
Voice of the one, Dre Island. Alongside the one we call Pops, called Poppy. I always say, who God bless, no man curse, bad mind, Mawaya, put in our earth. I care zero. One Psalms a day, keep the bad mind away. You know what I say that?
So we pray, we pray,
All who believe in the Almighty Father God right now, sing out the one loud and proud. Bad man can't stop it. What we tell them, Papi?
Let's not be flow on the prayer God.
Oh no!
Not a evil God. Them think we don't when we just a warm up. Yeah, nothing on mine up. So me tell the youth hold on, tell mama be strong.
Half an hour of straight heat, baby. Shab like I'm here.
I'm faith in God. Me no know.
When we get to another violent come a one man band. Why?
Long time them a try bring me down.
Why?
I know just now from a very young.
Why?
Chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watch me on the telly now. Yeah, giving up now. We put up a fight. We got to be ready.
One thing we not give up on the girl them neither. You know why? Black there in control. Can I play some song for the girl them? What for the girl them?
She take a flight and link the G. The sexy little body that she bring for me. See a flight, I want myself to she. Now you're finally next to me. Yeah. Long time in the see you know me have your close up. So much I want in my mind when me see your pose up. I'm the one who will take it up.
DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla.
I'm the one who will take it up. Touch yourself, make you laugh. One girl make here, no one see your side.
Alright, talk the truth. What's the best part of getting an argument with your girlfriend?
Makeup sex is the best sex.
DJ Shabba, DJ.
Whoa! Grab on by your breast like bench press. Then you get a pretty icky necklace. That a fit the love when me your express. Sweat a drop in your face. Net the position to make the bed rest. So sorry, say me hurt you, girl. Forgive me, me remember her. You need me, I need you. Makeup sex is the best sex, truly. You are my best friend. Makeup sex is the best sex, truly. You are my best friend. No more lipstick but my shirt sleeve. Wine on the cocky make the hurt leave. My rub there, no shoes please. Come don't move please. Yeah, my AC blow a cool breeze. Looking at the dry, you see couple euro. Take 2 G's when you leave. Excuse me, so sorry, say me hurt you, girl. Forgive me, me remember her. You need me, I believe.
Just rocking out with my ladies right now.
Makeup sex is the best sex, truly. You are my best friend. Makeup sex is the best sex, truly.
Carry small cock, skinny tongue, make we fucking at the yard back. Come sit down, plug your phone for me charger. And then nothing if you suck it or you swallow. Cock up your bumper cause you want jack. You a ball and me push it in harder. Fingernail
your back, you a crabber. That fuck your heart like lava. Baby, you boom boom my butt, me can't leave you. Come in on your belly, come me want breathe you. Only a girl out there want me fi fuck them. Me stick with the girl, me nah leave you. Fuck everything, girl, that's all we do. Out the door inna the tall tree too. No bad ways, so when me nah treat you, me and you honey, so me start busy you. Force up me cocky on your pussy and hurt it up. Funny pussy me a expert, you know. As she see me pants or skirt lift up, she sign to me, she stop searching, you know. Cocky on her pussy and hurt it up. Funny pum pum a expert, you know. As she see me pants or skirt lift up, she sign to me, she stop searching, you know. What a young girl pussy damn fat. Sign it to me coffee, me give you the contract. Your love fuck me on in a bumbo clad down in a your throat, girl, you feel yam that. Underneath you no suck, you are the tightest. So your pussy grip me cocky like a pipe scream. You make me feel like Seffi by your gun, cause that pussy there you something for me fight for. Baby, you boom for my butt, me can't leave you. Come in on your belly, cause me want breathe you. Only a girl out there want me fi fuck them. Me stick with the girl, me nah leave you. Fuck every day, girl, that's all we do. Out the door inna the tall tree too. No bad ways, so when me nah treat you, me and you only, so me start busy. Force up me cocky on your pussy and hurt it up. Funny pussy me a expert, you know. As she see me pants or skirt.
Goes by the name of Spooky. For the girl them.
Cocky on her pussy and hurt it up. Funny pussy.
That one in real life.
You know. As she see me pants or skirt lift up, she sign to me, she stop searching, you know. Pussy no shame man, me no carry small cock. Skinny town, make we fucking at the yard back. Come sit down, plug your phone for me charger. And then nothing if you suck it or you swallow. Cock up your bumper cause you want jack. You a ball and me push it in harder.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, cuz.
Family.
Yo, unrulers.
And me say family.
Sure.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer.
Shout out each and everybody right now who knows say real to their friend and dog. Okay.
Me love me family, them to me heart. No do the earth one of them real killing.
Oh, Mama Sonia upon the check-in. Oh, God, Mama Sonia. Me have to pull up that one there for my Mama Sonia. The whole 115 team. I'm a real family that in a real life. What you mean?
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family.
You see the dirty bad man, Mama. We don't want them.
Me love me family, them to me heart.
Good it.
The earth one of them real killing dead to the end, dead from me start. Real better them.
All my real friend, them not bad mind.
We are buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice.
Been not bad mind.
And them no know when we are get chased by cops and the mac and the hand.
Tell them the man. I don't want to make it no.
No struggle feel.
You're rock solid, my real friend in a real life. Tell some bad man rock. Can't make them treat me and kill me. You must say blood clot mad.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, cuz.
H for the whole team, Tev Millie. The whole team, Triplevibes, we there. Good day.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. And me say family.
Triplevibes, that's right.
Love me family, them to me heart. No do the earth one of them real killing dead to the end, dead from me start. Real better them.
But I mean, I know about
we are buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice.
somewhere they know when we come for that country, I call it USA.
It's my cups and the
5 people in a 1 bedroom, what you know about it? We depend on a hard struggle. When you say black people make it now, look at me dirty bad man, no what tell or no. What must say no way, you must say blood clot mad.
Life are the greatest thing that me no left alone and me no left my God. Can't trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood clot mad. Life are the greatest.
But in a real life, Mama Sonia, you take me fret about them. You take me fret about them.
Man have one life and me too young for worry about problems.
You mad?
Man have one life and me too young, so I this a me anthem.
Good day.
Oh yeah. Sure. Me say nothing me no worry about, yeah. Nothing me no worry about, lad. My life too sweet
Mama Sonia, you know why we not Rowie? A straight bad people business.
Yo, El Gringo.
A straight bad people business.
Them chop, yo. Fucking boss. Me over it. Put the cape and repeat. Pull it in her face and her feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the seat. Boy, gone with the worm, figure sleep. Empty the Mac 19 on your face and dance. So real bad man kill them. Police come find them dead on the street like that. Them man rifle a sting them. Day one step up, boy, day one. Pussy man a bad from day one. Most out them head me no spear.
Oh, it's in Brooklyn, New York City.
Spray like Began.
Boy.
Gunshot connect like three-way. Slap out them head on the freeway. Boy body drop in a me.
Shout out to the boy D-Nice, man. One half of that song remedy.
Pussy them think them evil yet. Empty the inch.
Well, what tell this my brother in our real life. Any boy disrespect get thumping on your face. Remember me say that. Why?
Watch the boy need and send him out. Don't a man from the ice him chilling out. Half not read them.
I we say family dog.
Shot gunshot never miss your move.
You friend them a yap a yak.
Shoot them a like a glock. What them do? If the pussy them bad, tell them run in.
What do we say? Gunshot or bunny? I say enough people that want to stand up right here and do this thing called Triplevibes Radio. Enough people bad mind with Mama Sonia. Well, what tell you know there's something go already. What me not business with bad man. Bad man is a hell of a thing. Me want to catch that rascal disease. So me just stay with that one here.
Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run I get it, anybody run. Girl a ball up if you remember say just my son. Badness them a copy so we paste it down in a the gun. Yeah man a weed.
You say me not get glass and some bad mind something there.
Kingdom them give them cock fi bun. No juvenile can no wish for me lock my gun. Matter of fact me dey for lock my gun. Me got me gun. Me full of bomb.
All who know so you're real to the thing right now. Triplevibes Radio baby. Last half an hour, last lap. You know why?
I ain't at the right place. I ain't at the right place. I ain't at the right place. And everybody knows that the gen and the like shit.
You see the pussy them.
Good production.
Watch them a act for your thing. Watch you not clap when you win. Stay wide with your fake smile. Grave them.
I will say Massacre 2018.
It's like the pussy them not if you weak. Get to you them not if you win up. It's like the pussy them not if you weak. Pussy them not if you weak. Them no office we make it but we stuck in the G. Have them gal in a me ride I brought the cocky for free. One bag of fake smile but me watching it pre.
Big boy me say for the check and it's all good. Sniping all 115. Bona. Brooklyn Avenue.
Before we come from it's like hell in a youth. You can't walk in on my shows, I live me sell on my shows. Make sure they made your voice, don't make them tell if I'm out. And when they rise, that's what shade, yeah man, get ready for show. Show to the style when I'm trying to do, like on the youth. Phoebe goes and car with no bag when I stove. Stand them rate, Mr. the liar, man, I tell her the truth.
What are the people?
Yans in the bunk, in a bed, they she cute.
All I'm looking for my watch right now.
And if them be sit up,
come like 13 minutes of rock solid.
girl went up like she jump in the sea. On the crib side, and not a rock in the knee, Pussy them not happy for we. Them no office we make it but we stuck in the G. Have them gal in a me ride I brought the cocky for free. One bag of fake smile but me watching it pre. Hey so pussy them not happy for we.
Right now we're there in the same place, we're not going nowhere.
Life sweet when they make it to me.
We are burning the whole bad mind them, dirty people, dirty crosses.
Happy for we. Yo we not do this to them. Watch your pussy.
I said it, I'm gonna say it again. Some people now always set up and do this thing what we call Triplevibes Radio. True say we say radio, some boy go and make some radio station, I don't know. Bad mind I want to tell the truth. But I want to really talk up the thing. This is why I play that one I call Massacre. Can we say Massacre to the world 2018 though?
How far I'm coming from.
Some boy take up the same thing while you take up.
Just know my song. They don't know.
Them don't know what we do if we do this. Tell them no one.
They don't know my story. They just know my
story. One time I look on social media. Some boy having the same clothes, same pants, same shoes.
They don't know my story. They just know my song.
Make sure I get the last 10 minutes for the dirty bad mind. The dirty hypocrites them. Dirty eager. You see you know. But don't know the last 10 minutes.
No fight. Oh, them a go let me not hungry before. Oh, them a go let me not stumble before. You have to make it when you're humble for sure. Crips in a cup and none around me a boy. Oh, them a go like me
born in the riches. How them there when man asleep on the floor. But from a man, me say me gone for the riches.
Alright, we say we done with them right now. We got on the victory lap.
Wall heap a fight, ain't shaitan. Wall heap a days, wall heap a night, till the fight long.
We say we got on the victory lap.
Them iPad, my iPad, the price and next icon. Who see them? Friendship, them a sell and me no buy none. So them run got tell the feds, them say me buy gun. Me hold it out and hold it fate until me time come. I know me time come, some pussy want me like them.
What do I tell you about what must have got to the blood clot world. 2018 and over and over and over.
God again! Wall heap a fight, ain't shaitan. Wall heap a days, wall heap a night, till the fight long. At me bad mind of them iPad, my iPad, the price and next icon. Who see them? Friendship, them a sell and me no buy none. So them run got tell the feds, them say me buy gun.
I always say be bad people, new music for 2018. Last half an hour, triple threat.
Anything coming no like run. Me pocket full of green, got the be match.
Ready? Walk on the nice.
No for them no real, no.
You don't tell them.
Me fuck she, and still no wife son. Then why we fuck?
Up next, Rock Solid. DJ Gravity, DJ Rock.
Wall heap a fight, ain't shaitan. Wall heap a days, wall heap a night, till the fight long. At me bad mind of them iPad, my iPad, icon. Who see them? Friendship, them a sell and me no buy none.
Whoa.
So them run got tell the feds, them say me buy gun.
Whoa.
Me hold it out and hold it fate until me time come. I know me time come, some pussy want me lie down. Dig up every real bad charge.
Crown Heights, Bedside, Flatbush, Vanderveer, Clinton Hills, OT, Brooklyn. It does some dirty-minded people, Rock Solid. Gravity, it does some dirty-minded people. But you see me, let me tell you.
Me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun, them dig up every real bad charge. Big up every real bad charge. Me see, them are dirty. Me a tell you say
them are dirty.
Them are dirty.
I know Gravity gonna come on and burn up the whole new truth.
Me no carry feelings.
We carry, we gun them. I would have said we carry, we gun them.
Me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Oh, them if you know so them not gonna ever get the chance to set me up like Mandela. Envious people and crap.
What is it, real bad people? No behavior. No behavior. God.
Ole male, ole male, ole male. Pum pum left your panty, ole male, ole male. She will fuck anybody, suck any cocky, and she know what you know, yo. But ole male, ole male, ole male. Hey, bad man. Party going on, girl, they enough for me, not going on alone. Party going on, crazy party going on. Violence party tonight, yeah, it's going down. What is going on? What the fuck is going on? Crazy fucking and cocky sucking, that's what is going on. What is going on? What the fuck is going on? Violence party tonight, yeah, it's going on. Nah, 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 living life my way, ain't no other. Nah, 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 if you don't like me, suck your mother. Nah, 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 living life my way, ain't no other. Nah, 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 if you don't like me, ha 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 ha. Me have couple dogs, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I can protect the dog, them member enough for me. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are pre one, I'm a brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On my yard, drive up, pull up on foot. Boys spread out like saying damn yard that I road like dog. Yeah, we are going.
Yeah, I know I already got blocked for this. I know Facebook already blocked me. I went too far. But if since I'm here, I ain't gonna quit. Just waiting for your police. Kick off door, boy, get it in a slave. You are free one of the boy, and them you want to pay me.
Yo, great job. Head man down, in the street man hustle every day. Me have a burner, me have a prepay. Do the max, Asian brain. Liquor later, be a champagne. What do we, that's Finch and Jane. Get ready to close out that show, man. Shout out to each and everybody once again rocking. What up? proceed.
Rocking out with us.
Money from my brain, dog.
Each and every Thursday, shout out to the boy D Nice.
Money from my brain.
Shout out to the boy Biz.
Money from my brain, every woman, every man. Money from my brain, dog. Money from my brain, yo, head man top. Money from my brain, dog. Money from my brain.
Oh, girl, step up, cause we gon' bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap, dog, I crack the
I wish a massacre once again to the world, 2018.
All of this straight in a mid index finger. Oh, girl, step up, cause we gon' bust the cylinder. Oh, girl, step up, cause we gon' bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap, dog, I crack the window. We no fly kick in a chest, we no ninja.
What am I strength in my index finger? Till next week, man, I'm gonna see you guys right here, same place, same spot. Job Black, man, I'm out of here.
Say that joke, you take bad man thing for. Bust the cylinder, hand in your bed. Trigger happy, so make it one in the head. Cut the fucker from your this and you are dead. Them find your body without the hand, without your head. Man, bust the cylinder, things get dread. All 3, 5, 7 left your thinner than a dread.